Hi guys, back into the kitchen to prepare a quinoa meal. Okay guys, this is the quinoa that I use. You can use any quinoa that you have. Okay, this is 1 cup of quinoa guys. Any vegetable broth, so I used out of this and dilute it with some water, and that's what I'm going to be using for the quinoa. So I did 2 cups. I usually do 2 cups and a quarter liquid. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Let me taste for salt content first. Okay, I need a little bit of salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in here, just a pinch, just about that guys. About a half, just a little less than a half a teaspoon of salt, because it has low sodium, but it's okay. You're gonna cook it at medium to low heat. And now we're gonna cover it. Make sure the exhaust on my pot is closed. I love this pot. And try to use a non-stick pot if possible, guys, especially when you're cooking quinoa and rice or whatever it is. So you don't have that much stuff to stick and waste. Well, it's not a waste if you like the bottom part, kind of parch. My sister loved the bottom part that is parch. That's her perfect pot. Okay guys, now I'm gonna peel the butternut squash and dice it medium size. Okay, don't forget guys, I will leave the ingredients in the description below. Okay, we're gonna take that out. Okay guys, I love butternut squash. Anywhere it's prepared except in soup. I'm still working on the soup part. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Oh guys, I love roasted butternut squash. Oh my goodness. Yes, this is going to be one of the sides for the quinoa. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the complete squash, and this is the carrots. Okay, the broccoli florates are already cut up. I'm gonna put it on a baking sheet now. We have to dress it up. It'll be easier for me to toss with all my ingredients. Okay, first I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil around here. Oops, I think that's good. Okay guys, I'm using this bouillon seasoning. Oh man, this is just off the hook. It's concentrated broth, vegetable broth in a paste, but it is so good. We have the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Do some salt, just a pinch of salt, 2 pinches of salt. Okay, and handsome. Okay guys, I drizzled a little bit of the better than bouillon vegetable seasoning on it. You'll see it in my other videos on the broccoli when I do it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Okay guys, now I'm doing the broccoli. It's gonna be the same procedure that I did for the butternut squash. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and vegetable broth diluted in a little bit of water. And I'm just gonna put a couple tablespoons over the broccoli. Okay, and now I'm just gonna toss them around so that everybody can get a little bit of dressing. Oh, and I had to remember to put a little bit of olive oil. I forgot the olive oil, but I did it. Okay guys, the carrot will have the same dressing as the butternut squash and the broccoli. It's gonna be the salt, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and a drizzle of the vegetable broth. Okay, now I'm gonna lay the broccoli and the carrots on the sheet pan, and I'm gonna pop them in the oven to be roasted. Okay guys, the beep that you hear is because the oven was on with chicken. So it just beeped because it's finished. Okay guys, now I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, 400 degrees. Okay guys, the celery is for the red cabbage that I'm about to saute. I will be chopping up the red cabbage in a few minutes with one green pepper, one yellow onion, and one red onion. Okay guys, remember all the ingredients will be in the description below. There's the steps going in every direction, but I got it in the description. Okay guys, my carrots and broccoli is done. Look at this. Oh guys, I wish if you guys could smell it. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay guys, these are the ingredients for the sautéed red cabbage. The red cabbage, celery, peppers, carrots, and the red onion and the yellow onion. And this is my roasted squash, the completed. Oh guys, these are so tender. Oh my goodness. And beautiful. Okay guys, I started out with the onion and the celery, and now I'm going to add the red cabbage and saute it a little bit. Stir it around. Okay, now everybody needs to make friends in here. Okay, now I'm gonna add the carrots. Okay guys, don't forget to season as you go along in layers. Okay, now I'm gonna add salt, pepper, and some of the vegetable seasoning. Oh, I need to put the garlic in there. Okay guys, you season as you go along. Every additional layer you season. Okay, I lower my heat. I had it a tad bit too high. So I'm gonna stir this up and then cover it for a few minutes. Okay guys, this is the finishing touch right here. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. I'll put everything together later on for my lunch for the week. Have you guys back in the field. Oh my god, this quinoa is so good too. I need to get a spoon. And there's a spatula. Let's take this out of here. Okay. This is the butternut squash, the roasted butternut squash. Put some in here. Okay. And carrot. I know I wasn't using carrots in this one. Take carrots out of that one. I'll put some broccoli on this one, these two. Okay guys, this is the red cabbage. That's gonna go in here with these. Okay guys, if you don't want any meat, this is where you can stop. This is a full vegetarian meal right here. But for me, I will be adding meat.